magic beans, they must be very special. He agreed. He tricked the cow for the magic beans and went back home. When Jack's mother saw the beans, she was very angry. Magic beans? How could you? She cried. She threw the beans out of the window. The next morning, Jack looked out of the window. There was a giant beanstalk. He went outside and started to climb the beanstalk. Wow, a beautiful castle. He went inside. Jack heard a voice. 3, 5, 4, boom. Jack went into a cupboard. An enormous giant came into the room and sat down. On the table, there was a hand and a golden harp. Ray, said the giant. The hand began to eat. It was made of wood. See, said the giant. See, the giant was asleep. Out of the cupboard, took the hand and the harp. Suddenly, the harp sang, "Help, master, help! Someone's taking me!" The giant looked up and shouted, 3, 5, 4, boom! Jack ran and started to climb down the beanstalk. The giant came down after him. Jack shouted, "Mother, help! Mother, help!" Jack's mother took an axe and chopped down the beanstalk. Nobody ever saw him again. With the golden eggs and the magic harp, Jack and his mother lived happily ever after. Ladies and gentlemen, Jack's adventure teaches us that courage and quick thinking can turn this problem into a solution. So, let's always believe in ourselves and face challenges.